CDH is a Second Amendment advocacy group. We're based out of Texas.
Oh, really?
So,
Gotcha.
Yeah. CDH stop.
Excellent.
Brandon from Jackson Cop police accountability here in town.
Yeah, we're huge advocates of Second Amendment.
And Hell's Saints.
Okay.
Open carry group in Detroit.
Okay.
But we've teamed up and
Okay.
we travel back and forth and help each other out.
Appreciate it. I saw. I was like, I gotta get a picture. What it is we're a Second Amendment advocacy group. We all, the big role push for constitutional carry.
Sure.
I carry most 9 times a time with me. So, but what we do is we're a grassroots operation. So we're trying to push legislation up slowly but surely.
Right.
Going the wrong way and the one way.
Yeah.
That was close. Round of donuts for all. They okayed us. They know who we are. We're good. Sticky situation there for a second. You say those things always make me nervous. I don't know how they're going to respond. Another one. 9 o'clock. We crossing straight? We're gonna cross? Alright, they have a stop sign. Excellent. $12 o'clock. I tell you, that one way is with them.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
I love you guys.
Thank you. We love you too. Go ahead. Let's go this way. Is this the birthplace of the Republican Party?
Yeah.
Great. Man, yeah, I love you Republicans. You guys are just fantastic. How you doing?
I like that.
Thank you. Thank you for your service.
Talk to the senators, talk to the congressmen, get on the horn. And make sure it's more than one person, at least about 5 people. That's when they take it serious.
Yeah, I've done it here in town. I've talked to the mayor, the chief, the city manager, city clerk attorneys,
Go to Lansing.
But it starts here, and if if they don't help you out, then you move on. I hear what you're
Oh,
saying.
you trying to do the chain of command.
Well, I'm just
Chain of
trying to
command
get it.
when you
Well,
go
this way
into-
they can't. No one can say, well, they didn't tell me this. They never said that to me. I have it on record, on videotape. That hey, we sat
My
down,
man.
we had a
Yeah.
conversation.
I likes that.
You didn't
Exactly.
listen to
That's
me.
what you
I
do.
went-
Yeah.
I'll bring it in close.
Yeah.
Don't worry, it's ours.